In this video guide, I'm going to introduce you to the creation of simple work orders. As an administrator or coordinator, you're able to create full work orders from anywhere in MA CMMS. Guests, technicians, and other users are able to create work requests that are sent to a queue for the approval of an administrator or a coordinator. This ensures that work requests are always logged and the correct people are notified when maintenance becomes a priority. Work orders are at the core of MA CMMS. Since you can't always predict when equipment breaks down or needs attention, everybody needs the ability to create a request on the fly. After this guide, you'll know how to set up an ad hoc work order as well as add an asset for which the work order applies, define work that's to be completed before the work order has been closed, define individual tasks and assign them to technicians, and add an additional user to the work order and have them notify when the work order is closed. I've just logged in and I can see in my messages widget that there have been work orders requested. So I'm going to head over to the CMMS menu and go to the work orders area. To my left, I can see that I'm already in the requested category. I'll click on the request marked as damage with highest priority. I can see from the request by Larry, one of my inspectors, that a circuit board controller is burned out and I need to notify a team from Alstrom to fix it. So I'm going to change the work order status to assigned and move on to tasks. First, I name my electrician Tom Randall to inspect the controller and try and find out the source of the problem and make sure it doesn't happen again. So I'll select him from the drop-down and fill him in on the details. I'll also need to add my inventory manager Rick to order the new controller. Finally, I'll need to add the Alstrom team to come and replace the component itself. Luckily, I've got them set up as a group, so both Jose and Dan from the Alstrom team will be notified right away. Now I'll save before I move on to the Technicians tab. Since it's important for the Alstrom team not to arrive before the circuit board, I'm going to make sure they're aware of how the work order tasks are progressing. So I'll double-click their team and check Notify when each task is completed. I'll go ahead and save to make sure everything is updated and everyone involved is notified. Now that I've created my work order, I can go back and click on the assigned category to view it in the overview queue. If I hover over, I can see the asset it's assigned to, the work order status, a description, and the technicians assigned.